Hey there, we're going to go over how to draw an array. And let's remember what an array is. An array is a sort of rectangle that shows some of the multiplication. So it's like a visual of how to show multiplication. So let's start with some examples. Feel free on your iPad when you do this to use just like the highlighting tool. You don't have to worry too much. So let's look at this first one. We have 7 times 4. So what I can tell is that I'm going to need to have 7 groups of 4. 7 groups of 4. Or I could think of it 4 groups of 7. So I'm going to show you both ways that I could draw this. First, let's start with 7 groups of 4. And I'll do that in blue. So 7 groups of 4 would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's one group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups. That would be one way that I could draw this array. That would be a correct way to do it. Now another way, let's pretend that I didn't do that. And instead, what if I did 4 groups of 7? If I do 4 groups of 7, let me show you what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's one group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups. Okay, so that would be another way. So either way works because in multiplication, the order does not matter. So now we need to figure out how many is that, and that will involve some counting. So we could count, you might want to count by ones unless you know how to count by fours. So if I count by 1, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 28. And that is the correct answer. Okay, but the most important part of this isn't getting the answer, it's actually drawing the array. Okay, let's try another one over here. We have 7. Whoop, I wanted my highlighter. Where's my highlighter? There we go. 7, and we have 10. So 7 groups of 10, or 10 groups of 7. However, I know because I've done this before that if from here to here is a group of 10. To prove that to you, let's do some counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so how about I do, if I have this is a group of 10, how about I do 7 of them? So this would be 1, then 2 groups of 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 groups of 10. Okay, so now I can count by tens to figure that out. Some of you are already like, I know what it is. So this group would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, 70 would be the answer. Now let's try it with problem number 3. So for problem number 3, we have 6 groups of 10. So it's going to be very similar to this, but one less group of 10. So I could do 1 group of 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So do you see how this is smaller than this? This has one more group of 10. So let's count by tens to figure this out. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 would be our answer. Okay, now for this last one, we have 6 groups of 3. 6 groups of 3. Okay. If we have 6 groups of 3, we need 1, 2, 3, and we need 6 of them. So that was 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups. Okay, we have 6 groups. So now we have to figure out like how many is that total, because we want to figure out 6 times 3. To do that, you could count by threes. If you don't know how to count by threes, you could count by ones. So let's count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is the answer. Okay, so what I'm looking for is I'm mostly looking for your array to be correct, and then it's just a matter of counting all the boxes to get the answer. All right, give it a whirl and let me know how it goes.